Yeah, good morning, my dear students. Yeah, today, fifth class students, this lesson goes to fifth class students. Your first chapter, Roman numerals. The Roman numerals is the first chapter. I request all the students, please open page number 1. Page number 1, Roman numerals. See, my dear students, the first one is the review exercise for all. You open your, take your crayons, use this color. For example, look at here, some figure given, your school building was given here, and here some Roman numbers are given here, like this. These are called Roman numbers. In this Roman numbers, specifically, he given the blue used for 7. Now find out where is 7 here. The 7 is here, and the 7 is here, and the 7 is here, and 7 is here. For this 7 use blue color, right? And similarly 4, 3, 8, for this symbols use green color. Now look at the where is the 4. Yeah, 4, this is 6, it is 6, not a 4. Look at the number 1. The 1 should be towards the left side but not the right side. Now we need only 4. Yeah, here 4 is there, and here 4 is there. For this 2 use green, and 1, 2, 3 numbers are there. Identify the number. Here 3 is there. For this 3 use green. And similarly 8, look at the 8. Where is the 8 symbol? V11, here 8. For this completely use the green. And similarly 5, use 5 for red, and 1, 2, 6 for yellow. My dear students, it is very good good picture. When you are using the symbols, using the colors, you will enjoy. Compulsory, you will enjoy. And when you fill up with these crayons, certainly you fill up these colors in these boxes, you will get a very good picture. So this is the homework, my dear students. Now take the crayons and complete it. And my dear students, now we are going to the Roman numerals. 5th class students, your day 1, Roman numerals. Roman numerals, you know, Roman numerals is a very important. See, it is shortcut. We have 2 things are there. One is Hindu numerals, and as well as Roman numerals. We have Hindu Arabic numerals and Roman numerals. We have complete 2 numbers are there. For the 2 numbers, we can use the Hindu as Hindu numerals, Arabic numerals as 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. In the class you learning the 1, 2, 3, you know. But Romans are not like that. For Romans you are using some symbols, 1 and 2 and 3. These are the things you are using in the Roman. So what is useful means you can use shortcut. The calculation is very easily. So simply calculation. Max means that thing only. You should do very simple calculations. For example, if you go to the watch, you look at the time. In the time circle also, they will give Roman numbers only. Now for example, here 1 is there, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Similarly 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 11, and 12. Now in the watch also you will see the same Roman numbers only. So Roman numbers means easily you can identify, and simply shortcut methods you can use. So come to the topic. In the Roman numerals we have 4 rules are there. The rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, rule 4. In the Roman numerals, these are the rules are very important for your present chapter. So today I explain only rule number 1. Tomorrow we will go to the rule number 2, and day by day you will learn. At a time, don't eat at a time, because it upsets your stomach. So go slowly, right? So today we learn the rule number 1. Before the rule number 1, first let us explain you what is Roman numerals. Roman numerals nothing but, long ago the Roman used 7 letters in English alphabet to represent the numbers. That means I said you already. Here, look at the here, 1, 2, 3. I represent in the English alphabets. 1, 2, 3. These are Roman numerals. So to represent the numbers, these alphabets were called as Roman numerals. if anyone asking you what is the Roman numerals, then you have to explain here. Nothing but the Romans used 7 letters of the English alphabet to represent the numbers. Those alphabets known as a Roman numerals. These Roman numerals are mainly used because of historic importance only. Mainly where it will use means historic importance. Like I said you the watch, if you go to the kings, for example king 1, king 2, king 3, they will use like this only. King 1, Louis 1, king names and everything. Historical representation purpose they are using the Roman numerals. And my dear students, look at the next point. The Roman numerals do not use the concept of the place of zero, place value. Roman numerals never contains a zero. The zero, we don't have any symbol. For 1 you can use 1. For 2 we can use 2, you can use 2, and 3 we can use like this. But 0 we don't have any specific symbol in the Roman. So because we don't have a fractions, that's why the 0 is not required for you. It's not important in the Roman numbers. Without 0 also we can use the Roman numbers by simply we can calculate. So you should remember the very important point, there is no Roman numerals for 0. And my dear students, in the next page, open the next page. In the next page, the symbols. What are the basic symbols of the Roman and Hindu Arabic numerals? First of all, you know that what are the Roman, what are the Hindu Arabic numerals. Hindu Arabic means generally you learn 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. etc. So infinite. These all are called a Hindu Arabic numerals. These all are called a Hindu Arabic numerals. Shortcut HAN. Right? This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 generally numeric numbers. And whereas going to the Roman numerals, in the Roman numerals, we have to look at that 1 symbol and 5. For example, 1 in the Hindu you can write as represent as a 1. And 5 you can represent as a 5. And 10 you can represent as a 10. The 10 symbol is Roman is this one and Hindu is this one. And 50 see, you have to write 2-digit number. 50 you have to write 2-digit number 50. But instead Roman you can keep only L. Very simply you can read as L. It is the English alphabet. The English alphabet, already given the statement for you my dear students. The English alphabet to represent the number is known as a Roman numerals. Now see, L is the English alphabet. I represent the number. Now 50, it is you have to 50 you have to write. But instead of 50, I am keeping L. L is nothing but a 50. So here 100. For example, you go to the 100. In the 100 we can represent alphabet as a C. Very easy. Now see, we have to write 100 means you have to keep 1, 0, 0, 3 digits. But instead of writing 3 digits, you can write simply C. So that means very easy here. Now my dear students, your homework is write first 10 numbers, 10 Roman numerals, 1 to 10. 1 to 10, see I written here 1, it is the 1. 2, it is the 2, it is 2 symbol. And 3 lines. You should keep 3 lines, it is a 3. And it is a 4. And it is a 5. And it is a 6. This one is 7. This one is 8. This one is 9. This one is 10. My dear students, now I am asking a question. Tell me which is the Hindu, which is a Roman. This is a Roman or Hindu? Yes, exactly. Your right answer. It is the Hindu Arabic numerals. This is the Hindu or Roman? Yes, perfect. It is the Roman. Now you got it? Romans are representing in alphabets, English alphabets, and this one is represented as a Hindu Arabics. Actually, you need not keep like this bar also. It is nothing but I only, right? I. You can represent as I like this. Okay, so it is this kind of things are called, this kind of alphabets are called as the Roman numerals, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is the Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, my dear students, our watch contains 2 watches we have. Now prepare is a homework for you. You do your homework on. Now I am preparing the Hindu Arabic numeral. Watch, you prepare Roman numeral. Watch, it is a Roman. Now Hindu, I know here 12 is there, here 6 is there, and here 3 is there, 9 will be there. Now see, same thing you write here, 3. How you can write 3? Already you know. Where is the 3 is there? Here 3 is there. So instead of 3, you can write this one. So here, write 1, 2, 3. Yes, good. Very good. You're going on. Very good. Now look at the 12. Now 12. Where is the 12 here? Here 12 is not there. Right? 10 only there. After 10, you keep 1. It will become 11. Value becomes 11. After 10, it is 1x is called as a 10. After 10, write 2 i's. You will get a 12. Now you got 12 is this one. Now my dear students, fill up here. Here x 1 1. It is the 12. Now look, write the 6. Where is the 6 here? Yes, it is the 6. Now write here, instead of 6, you can write here as a 6. Now final 9. Where is the 9? Yes, you are good. You are very good. You are very smart. 9. Write down here 9. Now my dear students, you keep the watch. Your watch is ready now. In Roman watch, it is the Hindu Arabic watch. Nowadays, the people are using this Hindu Arabic watch at the same time Roman Arabic watch also. But my dear students, you fill up the gaps. You know here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What are the numbers I written here? You fill up the homework. You write the homework. Okay, my dear students, yeah, good job. Remember, it's the homework I am giving you. The page number 2. The page number 2 I am explaining you. And next, my dear students, Roman numerals. Roman numerals for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, up to 90, and 100 to 500. That means I am starting from 10 and I am ending to 500. How you can write? Now see, look at the figure here. It is the Hindu Arabic numerals. It is the Roman numerals. It is the Hindu Arabic numerals. It is the Roman numerals. My dear students, now here 10 are written. You know 1x is called a 10 and 20 are written. 2x is called a 20 and 30 are written. 3x are called a 30. But 40 is not a 4x's. It's a wrong. Not a 4x. 40 means you have to write 1x and L. 50 minus 10. L is called a 50. 50 minus 1x. It will become a 40. L is the 50. And 60. LX. LX is called a 60. And 70. LXX is called a 70. And 80. LXX is called a 80. And 90. Same. In 100 you know C minus 10 it is a 90. 100 minus 10 is a 90. And C 100. And C is 300. And D is called a 500. D minus 100 is 400. See what a beautiful they discovered. The Romans and the Greeks, they are very good. They are very ingenious. See, very shortcuts they are giving you. You can use shortcut method. This is called the shortcut methods. Okay, my dear students. And final, we came to here already discussed startingly the rule 1. Now we are discussing the rule number 1. In the rule number 1, remember my dear student, in the rule number 1, the condition is repetition of Roman numeral means addition. In the Roman numerals, we have two things are there. One is A and second one is the B. A, what condition is 1, 10, X, C and M. 1, X, C, M can be repeated in 3 times. Up to 3 times it can repeat. Are clear? 1 can repeat 3 times. 1, 1, 1. No problem. X, X, X. 3 times it will repeat. And C, C, C. And M, M, M. Up to 3 times it can repeat. But 4th time it doesn't occur. Remember that rule number 1. Rule number 1, in the Roman, the 3 times can be repeated. Which values will be repeat? I, X, C and M. And rule number B, in sub rule, in the rule number 1, sub rule B, V, L and D. These 3 cannot be repeated. Remember, phi, L, D cannot be repeated. Okay. Already I said you, this is called phi. What is this? L is called what? Already said you, it is in the number is very easy, phi, 50. L is 50. And here I given D. See, what is the D here? D is 500. 500 you can speak as a D. English letter you know D. D is for dog, but D for 500 also. D denotes amount, money, 500. So here L. Here L also there. L for what you learn? L for you can call anything. See, L for lion you learn, but here 50 also you can represent. Okay, my dear students, very easy. C for cat you know. C for cat you know, but C nothing but 100. English alphabet we can represent in the numbers. That's why I am saying you, what a beautiful representation given by the Romans. So first we have to congratulate the Roman first of all. The Greeks, the Romans, they are beautiful really. They are good in, they are very intelligent candidates. Now look at here, example. Look at the example. My dear students, I said you 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is a 3. And x, x, x. X means 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. And C, C, C. And 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. And M, M, M. 1000 plus, M means 1000. M is not monkey, M means 1000. 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, that is equal to 3000. So my dear students, up to here you carefully again listen my video. It is a very important class. Without this class you cannot go further. See, if you go to the exercise number 1, you need the basics. So first try to listen the basics, try to understand the basics. Yeah, any doubts you can keep a message to me, I will explain you again. So today your homework was, my dear students, write 10 numerals. Which numerals? Roman numerals. Roman numerals 3 times homework, and try to write 20 Roman numerals. And also given watch work also, my dear students. Fill up the watch and beautifully draw the watch and keep your homework to my personal number WhatsApp. Right, thanking you, my dear students.